Hi, I just wanted to make a really quick video to kind of show you guys how to view your work and view my comments on it and messages on it. So here it says grades over here on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this has, this is just a student preview. I just uploaded a paper of mine. I can see I have 0 points. If I go down to this one, I've got a comment here. I can click on this and it'll give me general feedback. It says, well, this is well written and it's off topic. Please try again. But if I go click on the assignment itself, it'll pop up. I've got this feedback over here. If there's a rubric attached, the rubric, there will be a little box up here you can click on, which will take you to the rubric so you can see how many points you got in each category. And the other thing is, over here on the left, you'll be able to see comments. So for instance, this says, good factual information here, and I'm glad to see the citation of Schaefer below. Unfortunately, this doesn't come back later in the essay. Is there anywhere you could utilize this in your research? So that's where you'll see comments on specific parts of the paper or specific aspects of it, and guidance and advice for parts of your paper. And then you'll see kind of a general comment over here that explains kind of what's going on with it. And that's how you would get to my comments on your work. I know some students only look at when they get there. Some students will only look at this, and that's not going to tell them very much. So if you click on the assignment itself, you'll get to see a much more thorough view of the comments. In order to be able for me to comment on it like that, it needs to be in either DOC or PDF format. Thank you for your time.